connectors are consistently our best-selling product. And I think the reason for that is it appeals to all age ranges. So whether you're 3 or whether you're an adult, you can participate in this building activity. Can you see I'm using plastic straws with plastic connectors that are very adaptable. Okay, they fit easily together. I'm using my fine motor skills, I'm using my imagination and creativity, and a group can work on a project like this. So our small package will build something 5-6 feet tall, and our classroom pack will create huge structures that the entire classroom can work on together. So here we have the finished product. Using this package, 6085, you can construct a rocket 5 to 6 feet tall.